Pozdrav se Kiraši, danas je sa nama Toni iz Raijinteka i odlučio sam napraviti ovaj intervju iz jednostavnog razloga što je Raijintek konačno oficijalno ušao na srpsko tržište, odnosno kroz kompaniju AXE, dobro poznatu malu prodaju, su konačno prisutni u Srbiji. Naravno, ostatak intervjua će biti na engleskom, ali ti znaš srpski malo?
Samo malo, da.
Da, jako dobro hvata i priča. Kako si još te naučio bre srpski?
Switch to English.
Switch
to English, it's too much, man.
Ok, možda kažem na engleskom, da.
I didn't drink it. I need some more šljiva for, you know.
Okay, long story short, sure. I know Toni for quite a long time. It's like 17 years, something like that.
Yeah, I think so, yes.
So you were working for a Cooler Master, right? Sigmatech.
PQI, Foxconn.
Okay, so how Raijintek happened?
Yeah, it was more or less just like out of a dream. We wanted to design products and make products available for everybody. So even high-end, low-end, mid-range, whatever you call it, it should be available really for everybody.
Yeah, and one of the let's put it this way, one of the brands of Raijintek is like really good performance and yes. and premium materials for the decent amount of money.
Price, yeah.
Can you tell me more about that? How you guys achieved that?
Depends on we checked a whole bunch of other products. For example, the one you have next to you, the Antilla Pure. Besides other competitors, they are using acrylic parts. We are using real glass. We are using real CNC parts out of alu, but where the material is being divided by POM in the middle. So the coolant is not touching the alu or not getting in contact with the alu, and then with copper materials, so there will be no oxidation, no any chemical reaction, you know. The materials that we use, we chose them pretty in detail, and we try to offer them for the best price possible.
Right now we can see some high-end components. Yes. I will use a few of those components in my new build. We have that opportunity. This is like first sample of
this. Yeah, DDC yeah. Ultra.
Can you explain to our audience what is this?
That's actually a CPU block combining with a real DDC pump. It's pretty compact. I've seen similar products globally, but their average weight is going above 3.5 kilo. And we are below 1 kilo. It's already a lot, but the Intel spec is not giving you something like higher than 800-900 grams, to be honest. So in the end, this one will be sitting directly on the CPU. The pump is underneath. You can go in a loop with 3x360 60mm radiators in one direct circle. So the pump is strong enough, especially when you try to build up a mini ATX, micro ATX. A lack of space is always given, so you're gonna spare one part that you're not necessarily needed to install.
Okay, Toni, but when we're talking about high-end components, this is still high-end components. What else Raijintek have in portfolio?
From entry-level chassis to mid-range, high-end, different on-point viewed products, such as we, for example, we brought in the open frame tables. We did a whole bunch of them, like the Aris Evo, the NEO, the Payan Standard, the Payan.
Yeah, I remember the Payan. Yes. Yeah, it's Payan legendary.
Yeah. Besides that, it's more or less like a niche market, but it's quite growing, to be honest. So by that, we are also currently. We just launched currently our Sophos Ultra, which is a workstation server chassis that holds up to 14 HDDs.
Oh, crazy.
And yeah, for workstations like video cutting and stuff, that's actually pretty perfect. And we have another, we just also launched our power supplies, the Kratos series with real PCI 3.0 and no, ATX 3.0, PCI 5.0, my bad.
Yeah, okay.
I'm getting confused sometimes, yes. And we have at least another 20 to 30 products to launch in this year.
It's unbelievable.
If we manage.
What was your global selling market for Raijintek? We're talking about Europe, and how come that you guys came in Serbia?
Our main market was or is still Germany, and in Europe and the US. I mean, we know each other for 17 years. Why shouldn't we come? I mean, people here are geeks, they are nerds, they like good stuff. I consider this as good stuff. You just need to have decent price points for Serbia, so it actually makes sense. Or if you remember our old Skilla series, the DIY kit for the full loop, it's actually pretty perfect wherever some other competitors are asking for around 200, 250 euros for a pump. They can have one with, like I said, glass, CNC components, etc., etc., including the radiator, including the coolant, including the CPU block, the soft tubes, the hard tubes, the fittings.
Yeah, the whole loop.
Whole loop, the complete set, yes.
Yeah, that is really good, especially on Serbian market. To be honest, we didn't have any brand, constantly that can provide, custom water cooling loop components. So yeah, it was a big trouble, and people always ask me, why don't you build more of those kind of PCs? And I was like, yeah, I mean, I can build it. We build a bunch of those, with XR, with Rogarch, with Nesha from SS Mods. But the thing is that we don't have, I mean, we are not in European Union. That is like really hard for us. I mean, you can always find, stuff on black market, but that's not the point, especially when we're talking about warranty. So tell me, how important for Raijintek, is to please the customers with a good warranty?
As long as they give me the full documentation and everything else, we will always find a way to please them.
Yeah,
that's not the point. It just depends on the, shout out they do to us, how they, inform us what happened, etc., etc., etc. We actually never let somebody down.
And who is responsible for that warranty check?
They go, I mean, this is quite normal in Europe. You go to the source of your purchase. That means Exceed or some retailer. They need to forward to us. We will report to our HQ, and then it goes its standard way. Yeah. But we are very fast. We are not like other companies.
Yeah, I can confirm that. I was preparing one of my new builds. Actually, that is my new streaming PC, and I didn't have a Riser 4.0 cable. And I called Tony. Tony, I still have a 3.0 and I have RTX 4090. And he was like, don't worry, 1 hour later he sent me a picture, you need this one? I was like, yes, and he was like, it's on on your way. So it's unbelievable fast, yeah, really fast. How old is the company? And how do you see Raijintek in next 10 years?
We founded this company exactly 10 years ago.
Oh, really?
2013, yes. And it's 10 years and 3 months in total. I mean, we hope to please our audience the next couple of years. We hope to bring in more nicer and even more affordable goods to, like I said, I mean, our philosophy is make the best product possible for the best offering price to your user.
Yeah, and that is quite unbelievable if you ask me, especially if we're talking about premium materials. It's aluminum, it's glass, it's I saw the bunch of Raijintek products that when I try to do the math, I don't get it how you guys sell for that kind of price.
It's the quantity in total.
Yeah.
Honestly speaking, yes.
So we're talking about Antonio Sahin, like as a person. How you end up in this business, computer business? It
was my brother-in-law's fault. When I was a little kid with like 10, 11 years old, he gave me my first PC. It was an Atari 260 ST.
Oh yeah, legendary.
Even before the C64.
Yeah.
Even before Schneider CPC 464. And I was playing around with it all day long. And so all this journey started, to be honest. Besides all the consoles,
Yeah, of course.
Super Nintendo, Nintendo Standard, blah, 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 blah.
What is your favorite old school console?
It's more about the game, to be honest. It's
yeah, console, I mean, it's always the game, but the console was providing the,
Yeah, me and my brother, we were always fighting over for Street Fighter.
Oh, Street Fighter, yes. Yeah. Which one? 2?
No, 1.
The 1? Oh, yeah.
Really, the original the base one, yes.
Yeah, but that was, I mean, it was unplayable, I mean, not unplayable, you can play, of course, but when I was trying to make a Hadouken, it happens sometimes it doesn't happen for 3 minutes.
Yeah.
And you're doing the same move.
Yeah, true, but it was fun. I mean, back in the time, it was really fun. Whatever you see nowadays is completely luxury.
So, if we're talking about Exceed, how did you approach to them? You know, what was your story? And I heard, you know, from the Exceed guys that have a really big stock right now of Raijintek. I was impressed.
We met up in Munich, in Germany, for some dinner together. We had a short talk. I mean, Nebojša, the owner, is a pretty straightforward guy.
Yes, he's really honest and straightforward.
Yes, and I appreciate that a lot, because in the end, it's saving his time, it's saving my time. We had a good time, so we talked about everything, and like gentleman's agreement, handshake. Okay, we do, and then we shoot.
Yeah, perfect.
Easy as it is. Yeah.
Perfect. So, long story short, we will have a lot of fun with Raijintek, especially on X YouTube channel. Are we planning some giveaways?
For sure.
For sure. Okay. You guys will see what we are preparing. I mean, I was asking, like, are we preparing? I know that we are preparing. So it will be really good. My new streaming PC will be based on the NYX Pro case. It's really interesting concept. You know, can you tell me about that case? How you guys are managed to make it? What was the idea?
The idea behind it was actually really... Have you ever seen that Transformers movies? Did you play with Transformers when you were young?
Yeah, I mean, when I post that, you know, first picture on Instagram on story, you know,
there you got it.
Yeah. I put it Transformer main team. Yeah. Okay.
Straight coming from the source, you know.
Yeah. Exactly. Yeah. Okay, Tony, it was a really pleasure, you know, talking to you. Do you have some, let's say, message for the X audience?
Stay tuned. A lot will come.
Okay.
We're preparing a lot, and more and more will come to the market here. You will see.
Yeah, perfect. Thank you, Tony.
You're welcome, likewise.
Ok, ljudi, to je bilo to, to je bio Toni iz Raijinteka. Zapratite Raijintek, imate Instagram stranicu Zapratite AXE i sve naše ostale društvene mreže iz jednostavnog razloga što ćemo praviti gomilu nekih giveaway-a, što ćemo spremiti gomilu nekog sadržaja i što ćemo konačno imati jedan brend u Srbiji koji će imati custom vodene lupove, odnosno sve komponente, da sastavite jedan takav lup po veoma kompetitivno i dobroj ceni, vidjet ćete. Ostanite oštri, a mi se uskoro vidimo na konom klipu recenziju što je gotovo bilo. Ćao!